Alright, so we're fishing here at Squaw Creek, Ames, Iowa.
And swimming.
And swimming, I guess. Maybe we could find a rope swing, that would be cool.
You could just get a log.
And I've already caught one fish, but we weren't recording. So,
Do I need to wait?
I'll keep you guys updated.
Can I have a small weight for this one?
I'll keep you guys updated when we catch a fish. We're fishing at Squaw Creek, Iowa. And,
Hey guys, I didn't see that.
hi. We're fishing at Squaw Creek today, Ames, Iowa. We're just fishing for like catfish, smallmouth, sucker, bass. And I already
like
caught a smallmouth.
Geese and ducks.
I'll
and
put that
stuff.
picture up in the video.
There's
And
like geese
I'll keep you
everywhere.
guys updated when we catch a fish. Just kidding. Never mind.
Okay, so this is where we're gonna be fishing. A little rapids area.
I caught a fish, but it died.
Yeah, he caught a chub.
It was
And
just a
It
little.
took my worm.
Yeah, it robbed him. So. Oh my god.
I'll help. I'll help.
Oh no.
Yeah. That's a
Take a
nice
picture.
smallmouth.
George, come here. Come here, George.
Wait, can I reel them?
They're actually.
Here, I
Yes,
wanna
yes,
reel
yes,
them.
yes,
I wanna
yes.
reel them. Can I reel them?
No, I want George to do it first.
Yeah, that's something.
Did I just scare a fish?
Hey guys, me, Isaac, and Kale, I'm just Isaac's friend, but we're like walking down the creek or the river. I don't know what it is, but I think it's the creek. We're walking down it right now. The bridge is over there, and there's a bunch of minnows right here. It's really warm.
Alright,
over here.
take camera. Thanks. Alright, so if he already didn't tell you, we're gonna walk down. We're gonna go swimming and stuff, and he's gonna fish. So yeah, we're trying to find some deep stuff here. Like 4 foot. 4 foot would be awesome, but yeah. So I'll keep you updated.
Spot.
So let's see how deep it is. Ooh, dude. This should be really deep. So far it's up to there on me. Oh crap, it's up to there on me. So yeah, they're back over there. George, are you coming in?
No, we're going to fish. Come on, we should fish right here.
Alright, so I'll keep you updated. So yeah, in a really nice area. And so I'm back around here. So they're gonna go fishing over here. So yeah, move down over there. So
Doesn't look very promising.
yeah, it's you can see the bottom right here. So I don't think we're gonna catch anything because we can't see. Oh my God! Look at this bone. Isaac, look at this huge bone I just found.
It's probably a cow vertebrae.
Oh, I just found a huge bone.
Where did we find a murder weapon?
No,
go.
Isaac, look at that bone.
Yeah, it's a tailbone.
Someone's probably been here. So they probably already found a murder weapon.
No, it probably just walked up.
So then, let's get. We gotta find somewhere where you can't see the bottom. Cause you can just walk out here. Like, look at that.
Mattress.
Oh, there's frogs.
We gotta catch him. I can use him as bait.
Zamboni. Okay, so I'm gonna keep videoing, but
Strugglers like products.
Not really. Oh, it's that frog.
well, kind of in the middle so I don't see you.
It's just the frog buried in the bottom. I won't use this bait. I'll just catch him.
Holy crap, we're far.
Yeah, it's really slippery right now. Guys, I see a train bridge. Let's go to there.
A what?
A bridge. Let's go to the bridge.
All right, I'll get you guys on the video right when we get to the bridge. Huge brick wall. So cool. To the train bridge, and that trail was so freaking cool. Wait, what's
Whoa,
up
there's
there?
another- it's
Look
a
at
road.
this! Look at this! Oh my God! Look at this!
Guys, there's a road.
There's another train.
Look at that, George, you guys.
Oh, in the summer when that's muddy, you take all the rocks out.
Oh my God, this is cool. We've officially made it. There's a train coming right now, so it's louder. But this is so cool. This is so cool.
I see some animal right there.
How much then? How much people?
A chair.
Oh, you can see the train. Look. All right, so, oh my God, frog.
Oh yeah, there's another frog.
There's so much freaking frogs. All right, gotta get over here. Some homeless person lived here or something.
Okay, let's slip it out. Let's slip it out. Yeah, let's slip it out. Guys, let's step on the block.
Oh, the homeless person made it like that.
This is quicksand right here.
Crap, that's hard. Holy crap. That'd be a good swimming area. Alright, so I'll show you when we get what
Moving.
you say, what you want, what you wear.
There's rapids up ahead. Like, it looks pretty deep too. Guys, we're by Hy-Vee, I think.
How did I get snapped?
I don't even fucking know.
I mean, it isn't that deep. It's not now.
This is a good swimming spot. Look how deep it is. Should I just jump in without the phone? Right. Yeah.
Where are we? I have no clue where the hell we are.
We should probably go back after this. Isaac, we should probably go back after this because
Guys, I found a skate park.
Isaac, we should probably go back after this.
Why?
We're getting freaking too far.
No, we're not. They can pick us up. If we can figure out what road this is.
Actually, we should just walk back on the trails.
Okay.
Whoa. I don't know where the rapids are.
Look to the side, Isaac.
Oh, this sand is so
Don't play in the rapids until I start.
Oh, this looks like Manchester.
It's a really good spot to fish.
This looks like Manchester. Isn't this freaking? No, is it? Isn't this Skunk River
I bet you
basically?
won't kick the fucking thing over. And call it gay.
Green hair gay? Alright. But it's true.
For a bit. We made a TikTok. The link to the TikTok will be in the bio. And yeah, we're on our way back. A pile of sticks
Someone actually made that.
that someone made. It's probably like a hangout spot.
That's cool.
Probably not gonna do anything to it, just gonna admire. But yeah, resume. So we're back to that one place that we said we couldn't really catch anything. So we're about back. Which is under this bridge. And later we're gonna check for ticks and poison ivy. Who knows what we got. But yeah, this is probably gonna be the end of the video. So
Okay, so he's gonna go in there. Okay, Isaac, 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 I did the video.